Okay, here's the third and final strategy I'm going to show you. And let's go ahead and just use this same multiplication problem to show you the different strategy. So we've done distributive property from yesterday, and then today I showed you partial products. Now here's the final one. This is called the standard algorithm. This is the only way I was ever taught to do this type of multiplication when I was a kid. And it's a good strategy, but it's also really good to have other strategies too. Whoa, what happened here? Focus. Okay, there we go. Standard algorithm. So again, we're multiplying 463 times 8. Now this time, just like in both the other strategies, we're multiplying 463 one part at a time. But we're going to do something different here. On this one, on both these, we're showing all the different products, right? 3 times 8, 660 times 8, 400 times 8. Same thing here. 3 times 8, 60 times 8, 400 times 8. Here's a little bit different. We're going to go ahead and treat it like an addition problem where you regroup. So for example, 3 times 4, that's 24. Well, 24, that's 2 tens and 4 ones. So you've got the 4 ones in the ones place, and then like an addition, you regroup the tens. So the 2 goes into the tens place. And now we multiply here. Now we know it's 60 times 8, but we can treat it just like 6 times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48, but we have this regrouped amount up here, so we add it on. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 2 more is 50. So if we're going to write 50, again, we have 0, and the 5 is going to get regrouped. And then over here we got, remember this is 400 times 8, but we can treat it just like 4 times 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. And then we have to add on the regrouped amount. So 4 times 8 is 32 plus 5 more. That equals 37. So again, we get 3,704. And like I said, this was the strategy that I used as a kid. And actually, when you get really fluent, this is probably the most efficient one to use, right? These can make it really easy and clear, but it involves a lot more steps. Whereas this one, it's much more efficient. You can get through it a lot more quickly. But if it's confusing, then you have these other steps that can make it really easy and clear. So this is called the standard algorithm. Again, go back, watch this video as many times as you need to get it straight. Okay, so we got 3 strategies: the distributive property, also called the box, the partial products right here, the standard algorithm right here. And notice all 3 strategies work. They'll get you the same product if you do it correctly. And this one is probably the most efficient, but it's also probably the most challenging to learn. So those are our 3 strategies. So look for this video on Seesaw.